The first 2 years were like rocky for me, like, I'm not gonna lie. But I feel like all the experiences and like the obstacles I went through, like they helped shape me into like being more focused in my future. TDL stands for Transportation, Distribution, and Logistics. And to me, that's basically just how we get everything that we need. Like how I get my clothes, how I get my shoes, like the process of that. How does somebody make what I need? How do they get it from one side of the world to the other? So I've been in the TDL Academy since my freshman year. I think like what works best for me and like why I'm so like consistent in the TDL Academy is because like everything is hands-on. Like I'm actually doing something. Everything is not like digitalized. Like I can actually do something and it's like opportunities and stuff. I feel like it's gonna get me somewhere. I'm OSHA 10 certified and supply chain equipment maintenance certified. So before I could even work on the machine, I had to take an online course during the summer, and it was like 40 lessons. I had to take tests on each lesson. Had to pass that before I could even come in here and use the machine. Then when I finally did come in here and use it, I had to go through like binders of just like an instruction manual on how to fix things and like what everything is. I had to learn different tools and different screws. And I did one internship and it was for the Harris Teeter Distribution Center. I did that the summer after my junior year, so coming into my senior year. I worked in a warehouse, so it wasn't something that I was used to, but I can definitely say like as I'm getting older and like now I'm looking for jobs and like having to talk to colleges, it definitely taught me how to be professional and like it gave me that work experience. I do plan on going to college. What college? I'm not sure. I do plan on like studying something in logistics or logistics based. I might also major in like business and global management or like international management. It feels good, like all the work I put in, it's like finally coming to like that one big goal of like graduating. So, and I've always wanted to go to college, so I feel like it's just helping me get closer to that.